The headline of your sales messages, whether online or in the local newspaper, is responsible for 70% to 80% of the response from your sales message. The success or failure of any marketing effort rests, to a large degree, on the power of your headline. David Ogilvy is one of the most respected modern-day marketing authorities. He revealed that, with the average headline, only 200 people out of 1,000 will go on to read your ad. And that is where your profit is sitting. Capture another 200 customers with a punchline headline and you'll double your sales. Lose 100 readers with a poor headline and you lose half your sales. Headlines are just that important. Even poorly written ads have been very successful because of the overwhelming power of punchline headlines. Your prospects will decide whether to read your sales message in only 2 or 3 seconds. That is all the time they will give you to scan your headline. Really, you and I are no different. We do not read a newspaper, we scan the headlines, article headlines and ad headlines. We are looking for only what interests us at the moment. A headline comprises the first words at the top of a newspaper ad. It is the title of your article, the subject line of an email, or the top of your web page. Here are 4 critical tips for writing those double your sales punchline headlines. 1. Make sure your headline is the first word group your prospect sees. I know this may seem a no-brainer, but I see this mistake time and again, particularly in local newspaper advertising. And, even more amazing, the ads the newspaper experts use to promote themselves seldom follow this rule. Take a look through your newspaper. Notice how many businesses start out their ad with their store name and location right at the top. This is such a terrible waste of their prime real estate. It is an ego thing really, and can easily cost them 25% to 50% of their potential sales. Always keep in mind, the public does not give a hoot about you. If they are shopping for you, they will look in the yellow pages. They are only interested in themselves and fulfilling their current desires. Put your store name at the bottom. If the headline draws them in to read your ad, and you convince them to want it, they will find your business name, no matter how small. 2. Make sure your headline delivers the punchline. The punchline is the unique and powerful part of your sales message. You aren't telling a joke here. Do not save the best part of your offer until last. Determine the most compelling part of your offer and put it right at the top of your ad in big, bold print. Virtually shout it out. And make the wording active, not passive. For example, save 50% on recliners is passive. Take home a recliner for 50 cents on the dollar is an active headline. 3. Use words your prospect is searching for. Here is another costly mistake you will see every day. Do not try to get everybody to read your ad by being vague or cute. Everybody is not your potential customer. Your prospects are only those who want today what you have for sale today. By trying to capture everybody, you will actually lose many of your most important prospects, the ones that want to give you money. Your headline should sort out the buyers. Be specific. If you are selling recliners, then say recliners, not furniture. Do not say store-wide furniture sale. Say dining rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, as little as 50 cents on the dollar. The more focused your headline, and your sales message, the better the response. 4. Like any punchline, your headline should be short and sweet. The headline should be as few words as possible, yet long enough to tell them what you are selling and why they should read your sales message. Usually 10 words or less is a good target. The consumer will read longer headlines if the first 4 words grab their attention. If you need more words, start with a large, short headline leading to a smaller type, longer worded sub-headline. If you follow these tips, you'll become an expert in no time, smarter than 90% of your competitors and 80% of newspaper advertising consultants. And when you experience the flood of sales that your headlines will create, others will want to know your secret to write profitable punchline headlines. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.